Well, hi there. Quick video, folks. Just have a question, and I would like to get your input on what you think this might be the problem. Now, I am recording the entire process of bringing this machine back to life, but before I post that, because it's going to be a lengthy stuff, I just have this question that I'm hoping to get answered in the upcoming days by the community, by you guys. So thank you for taking the time to take a look at this and possibly offer an answer. I think I know what the answer is, but I want you guys to tell me whether I'm in the right track. X, Y, and Z are working fine, so I went ahead and tried the spindle, and I get this. So let me show you how it sounds. Hopefully you're hearing those oscillations. I went ahead, removed the belt. It's not the motor, so the motor is in good shape. That's good news. It will be way harder to fix the motor. So I'm thinking it has to do with the spindle, and it's very probable it's basically the ball bearing. So I went into Tormek and I noticed that they do have an application note on how to change the bearings. It's only like $68 to get the ball bearing. So I mean, it's really, if that's all I have to spend to fix that machine, that's nothing. But I'm wondering, is it the ball bearings, or am I dealing here with something worse like a bent shaft or something else? Something in the column here on the spindle column is obviously rubbing and making the noise. So please, if you have had that happen to you before, I will truly appreciate if you can tell me how you solve the problem. What do I need to do to solve this problem? Because I really don't want to use the machine with that ridiculous sound. And you know, I also compare with my first machine, and the sound is not there. I mean, it's super soft motion. So clearly there is something wrong with this, and I'm hoping it's just the ball bearings. I would like to know if you have seen this before and how you solve the problem. Thank you for taking the time to look at this video, and I truly appreciate any input that you may provide. See you in the next one.